Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Toofypegs to replace fillings. First of all, you should place 2 of the mouthwash tablets in warm water to dissolve them. Then you need to carefully brush your teeth with toothpaste to ensure that all food residuals have been removed from the cavity. Rinse your mouth with the mouthwash solution and spit this out. Using a knife, cut off half a centimetre or 1/4 of an inch from the filling stick and place this in a cup. Fill the cup with enough boiling water to cover the filling stick. After 30 seconds, the filling material should have softened sufficiently and will be ready for use. Roll softened material between the thumb and forefinger. Apply to cavity, then bite together for several seconds. With your finger or thumb pressed firmly, hold the filling material in place until it hardens. The filling material is resistant to stress and abrasions and is easily removed by the dentist.